Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Open Studio and turn on Autoscale under Experimental Features so the system can adjust performance. Next, configure target FPS and define quality tiers. This tells Autoscale what to aim for and why it must drop quality instead of frame rate. Once done, create a short device list with resolutions and hardware traits. This helps you reproduce issues and validate results. Make sure to save these settings before running tests so changes persist across sessions. You now map assets and settings to each quality tier. For example, reducing shadow resolution and particle counts for lower tiers so Autoscale can swap quickly. Then run Performance Analyzer while playing solo to capture baseline frame times and CPU/GPU use. This tells Autoscale when to react. Once you have data, tune the thresholds, set acceptable frame time and percentage limits for CPU and GPU. Because Autoscale triggers depend on those numbers, and small changes often yield big improvements in stability. You finish by validating across devices. Test on lowest and average hardware and watch for stutter or thermal throttling. Then iteratively tweak budgets and rollback values, be conservative with minimums so gameplay remains usable. If problems persist, isolate the issue by disabling one category at a time, because that reveals which asset type trips the scaler. One key troubleshooting tip: when results are inconsistent, clear cached builds and retest. Caching can mask changes and lead you to chase the wrong problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.